our 120 volt rice warmer. First off, the overall dimensions. From the left to right handles, we have 19 inches. Overall depth, we have 16 inches. And a height of 15.5 inches tall. This rice warmer will use 120 voltage. Coming to the back will be the ETL certification along with the technical specifications for this warmer. Coming to the left will be a tab to release the top cover. And the inside will be the removable rice pot. Measurements for the rice pot will include 14.25 inches in radius and a height of 10.25 inches. It will be removed and inserted back into its slot. And included will be more information on this rice warmer along with the rice scooper. Be sure to check out our other rice cookers that we have for sale. We have electric and natural gas options that will coincide with this rice warmer through CoolerDepotUSA.com. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website CoolerDepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.